Good morning, my dear lovely students. Hope all are doing good at home and enjoying at home. So, in the previous sessions, we have completed our 6th chapter. In the last 2 sessions, we have completed the 6th chapter, and in that some points we have covered. Now, I think you people have remembered that what the topics we have covered in the last 2 sessions. Now, what is that? Constitution. What is Constitution? The Indian Constitution. Now, that the Constitution is the fundamental law of our country. Okay? And after that, the need for a constitution, then the framing of the Indian Constitution, then the preamble, okay, the nature or the preamble, and the guiding principle, the directive principle of a state, policy, fundamental rights, and fundamental duties. Now, there are 6 fundamental rights, 6 fundamental rights, and some fundamental duties. Now, in this session, we will do the book exercise and the question answers. Okay? Now, after this, you will get the book exercise and the question answer on our school website. Please download and write down question answer in your copy. In the previous chapter, lesson number 5, evolution of communication. In the website, I have already given you a homework that you have to draw any 4 means of communication. So anything you can draw, mobile phone, then laptop, then newspaper, anything, any 4 means of communication you have to draw in lesson number 5. Okay, lesson 5, any 4 means of communication you have to draw in your copy. It is there, homework is there in our school website. Please go and check it. Okay, and draw the diagrams in your copy. Okay, now lesson 6, let's do the book exercise. So, if you're having your book, I hope all have got the books. Okay, so please open the page number 51. Okay, open in your book page number 51, and we will do the first A1, that is the true or false. Right? T for true and F for false. So in that, first one is the Constitution of India is the fundamental law of our country. And the answer is true. Second, the National Assembly framed the Constitution of India. Answer, false. No country can interfere in India's internal matter. Answer, true. Fourth one, the right against exploitation allows every citizen to move court if any of the fundamental rights are denied. Answer, false. Question number 5. It's our fundamental duty to take care of public property. Answer, true. So please check the answers. True and false. First one, true. Second, false. Third, true. Fourth, false. And fifth one, true. Okay, again I'll repeat. First, true. Second, false. Third, true. Fourth, false. And fifth, true. Okay. have written the answer in your book. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is the fill in the blanks. The dash came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution of India. Yes, so write down Constitution of India. Question number 2. The feeling of dash promotes unity among Indians. Answer: brotherhood. Third question. The dash are guidelines for the government to apply while making laws. Answer: directive principles of state policy. Next, there are 6 dash fundamental rights. Last, respecting the national flag is our fundamental duties. Here you can state the answer. First one, Constitution of India. Second, brotherhood. Third, directive principle of a state policy. Fourth, fundamental rights. And fifth one, fundamental duties. I hope you have written the book exercise. We have done the book exercise in your book. If you have not done, please download the book exercise and question answer from our school website and do it in your book and in your copy. Now moving to the question answer. Now I will show you the slides, some slides. The question answer is there. You can write down the question answers. Okay. Now let's do the answer these question. Okay. Now question number 1. Define Constitution. Why do we need it? List any 2 points. Answer number 1. The Constitution is the fundamental law of our country. We need a constitution because it lays down rules and regulations according to which a country is to be governed. Second point, it contains the goals of our country. I'll repeat again. Question number 1. This question you have to write with a black pen, okay, and answer with the blue pen, okay. Question number 1, define constitution. Why do we need it? List any 2 points. Answer number 1, the constitution is the fundamental law of our country. We need a constitution because, first point, it lays down rules and regulations according to which a country is to be governed. Second point, it contains the goals of our country. Hope you have written the question answer. Question first and answer first. Hope you have written it. Okay, moving to the next. Question number 2. What do you understand by the words socialist and secular? Answer 2. Socialist. The socialist you have to write with a black pen, okay? Socialist you have to write with a black pen. This means that the people of our country should have a share in the country's wealth. Secular. The secular also you have to write with a black pen, and rest of the lines you have to write with a blue pen, okay? This means that the government protects all religions. Indians are free to follow any religion. I'll repeat again. Question number 2, you have to write with a black pen. What do you understand by the words socialist and secular? Answer 2, socialist. The socialist you have to write with a black, and rest of under that socialist, rest of the thing you have to write with a blue pen, okay? So socialist. This means that the people of our country should have a share in the country's wealth. Then secular. This also you have to write with a black pen, okay? The secular and the socialist you have to write with a black pen. Rest of these lines you have to write with a blue pen, okay? So, secular. This means that the government protects all religions. Indians are free to follow any religion. Moving to the next question, question number 3. What are directive principles of state policy? Write any 2. Answer 3. Directive principles of state policy are the guidelines for the government to ensure the welfare of the people. In that first point, people have proper living conditions. Second point, every child goes to school. Question number 3. What are directive principles of state policy? Write any 2. Answer number 3. Directive principles of state policy are the guidelines for the government to ensure the welfare of the people. First point, people have proper living conditions. Second point, every child goes to school. Moving to the next question. Question number 4. What are fundamental rights? What do you understand by the rights to equality? Answer number 4. Our constitution gives every citizen some basic rights. These are called fundamental rights. The right to equality means that all citizens are equal before the law. I'll repeat question number 4. What are fundamental rights? What do you understand by the right to equality? Answer number 4. Our constitution gives every citizen some basic rights. These are called fundamental rights. The right to equality means that all citizens are equal before the law. Now, moving to the next question. Question number 5. Write any 3 fundamental duties. Answer 5. Some fundamental duties are: first, we must abide by the Constitution. Second, we must show respect to the national flag and the national anthem. Third, we must take care of the environment. I'll repeat. Question 5. Write any 3 fundamental duties. Answer 5. Some fundamental duties are: first point, we must abide by the Constitution. Second point, we must show respect to the national flag and the national anthem. Third, we must take care of the environment. I hope all of you have written the question answer. So, student, I hope you have written the question answer in your copy. I know that some of you are slow writer. Please complete your notes. All the question answer from lesson number 1 to 6, it is there in our school website. Please download and write down the question answer in your copy. Now, we have completed our first semester portion. So, in the first semester, lesson number 1 to 6 will come, and all the question answer, book exercise, it is there on our school website. Please download and complete it, and children, please learn the question answer and book exercise for the examination. Now, I am going to explain the summer assignment. Okay? Every year you get the summer assignment now. This year also you will get the summer assignment. So, I will explain how to do the summer assignment. So, just listen carefully. Okay? So, for the summer assignment, I have given you that you have to make a chart, and on that chart you have to show all the stone ages: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic age. Okay, and it is given in page number 18 in your book. Now I will tell you how you will do it. Okay, so like this, in the copy you have to make the chart. Okay, and this you have to divide into parts. Okay, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic, you have to write like this. Okay, here you will write Paleolithic, then here Mesolithic, okay, then here Neolithic, Then here calcolithic. Okay. Calcolithic. Okay. And here under this, some points are also given in page number 18. Like early humans were hunter-gatherer in the Paleolithic age. In the Mesolithic age, early humans were hunter-gatherer. And in the Neolithic age, early humans became food producer. And Chalcolithic age also, they were the food producer. So, same like this, it is given here. Here you can see, it is given here. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic. Like this only you have to make a chart in your SST copy only. And you have to do it, write down like this only. Page number 18 it is given. Okay. And same like this chart only you have to do it. Okay. And you have to draw a 4 means of transport. Any 4 means of transport. Bicycle, boat, ship, car, anything you can make, and that also you have to do it in your SST copy. Okay, so all the summer assignment you have to do it in your SST copy. Okay children, I hope it is clear to you all that how you have to do the summer assignment. Now, so children, complete all the work. Do your summer assignment in your SST copy only. Okay? Take care. God bless you all. Thank you.